Carabao energy drink and Start electrolyte are two of the most popular beverages in Thailand, produced by the Carabao Tawangdang company. With a factory capable of producing 2.5 million units each day, it is vital that every stage of the production process is operating faultlessly. For these two bottled drinks, it is imperative that the closures are applied correctly so the contents are secure, yet the cap can easily be opened by the consumer.
Carabao Tawangdang approached Mecmesin to design and manufacture an automated system to check the tightness of bottle caps. It needed to be simple to use, but integrated with the factory quality system so that production can be monitored and recorded. Mecmesin's application engineers have many years of experience in solving problems in force and torque measurement via automation, and proposed a design based on an 18-bottle carousel. This could automatically measure the opening slip and bridge torques that characterise the performance of roll-on pilfer-proof or ROPP closures. Measuring these opening torques confirms that the capping process is operating correctly, preventing lost production time or costly wastage caused by incorrectly fitted closures. Selecting Mecmesin's automated system offered several advantages over a manual system. The test system is simple to operate, requiring minimal involvement from the operator, but it also uses Mecmesin's own Emperor software for full control of the sample handling, torque measurements and results management. All the operator has to do is load the carousel with bottles and press the start button. By using a constant test speed and a calibrated torque sensor, each bottle is subjected to exactly the same opening force, meaning the results are measured far more consistently than can be achieved with a manual system. More consistent measurements mean better information about the sample and a better understanding about the performance of the capping machines. There's no need for the operator to wait while the system conducts the tests. Once the samples have been loaded and the start button is pressed, the operator is free to undertake other duties, and a batch of 18 bottles can be fully tested in less than 9 minutes, during which time the system is calculating results, providing graphical representation of the test, and exporting those results to an SPC package to obtain line CPK values. Production is not held up waiting for the test results. And because the opening torque is not being applied by hand, the operators are safeguarded against the risk of repetitive strain injuries. The torque sensor is sensitive enough to detect the point at which each bridge breaks, an important indication that the cap can be opened easily when the time comes. When all of the bottles have been tested, the results can be compared to pre-selected limits and a clear pass or fail decision recorded. Emperor software can export these results to secure data storage as part of the factory's statistical process control system. The finished system fulfills the customer requirement in terms of simplicity in operation, repeatability in testing for high confidence in the results, productivity, 18 samples tested unattended in less than 9 minutes, safety, safeguarding operators from repetitive strain injury, and integrated with the factory quality system. Mecmesin has been supplying force and torque testing equipment for nearly 40 years with a team of applications engineers able to bring that knowledge to bear on recommending solutions that fit with the customer's requirements, budget and timescales. Contact Mecmesin to discuss your own requirement or see the website for other examples of automated testing solutions.